Black, brown, and HBCU bound.
I'm sorry it took me so long to get something out there to you guys. It's been a rough couple of weeks. I've been tired, sick, allergies, traveling. I had the opportunity to travel down to Atlanta to visit Spelman, Morehouse, Clark, and Morris Brown. And I'm going to be bringing you guys some interviews that I got with some great students. I wanted to get some of the students who have never had an opportunity to visit these schools, who are maybe looking for them for next year. I'm sure right now everybody's ready for a decision day and people know where they're going for the most part. But if not, hopefully I'll be able to shed some light on those as well. But I do wanted to focus on Morris Brown. It was the last school that we visited, but the most impactful in terms of the interactions with the students and with the faculty and some of the decision makers who are there. As you know, Morris Brown has been going through some trying times. They are back. We saw the students on campus. There's scholarship money. They're still accepting applications. Please, 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 if you haven't found a school that you want to be attending next semester, the start of the next school year, consider Morris Brown. Maybe take a trip down there, visit for yourself. But there's some vibrant kids down there who are very passionate about that place, about turning it around. It's on a comeback. So please, guys, they want to win. I want to see them win. There are a lot of big things happening. They have a lot of big plans in store, and it's on the way back. So don't discount that place. They've got scholarship money, and they've got still seats available. They're trying to bring back their enrollment, and then there are big things happening. They're on a course of change. So I'd like you guys to consider that. So sit tight. We're going to listen to this video that we're going to start off with, and it'll be the first of a couple, but we're going to focus tonight on Morris Brown. So hopefully you get some insight, you get a chance to see the passion from the students, and then you'll enjoy us taking a trip down there to be able to bring some information back to you guys. So just sit tight and listen to what the kids got to say. Bye-bye.
Hello, how you guys doing? My name is Jarion Turner, and I'm a sophomore here at Morris Brown College. I'm a business major, and I'm coming from Los Angeles, California. What's up, everybody? I'm Ernsto Guillaume Jr. I'm a junior here at Morris Brown College. I hail all the way from Brooklyn, New York, and my major is audio production with a concentration in business.
We found these two young men here on campus, being students that they are. They were gracious enough to give us some time to interview them so that we can show you what it's like to be a student on this campus. So I'm going to ask them a few questions if they'll just bear with me, and I know that they're busy, so we won't take up too much of their time. But what I would like to know first and foremost is, being some of the students who are right now being populating the campus and bringing it back, because we know they're coming back and they're coming back strong. What is it like to be part of the group of students who are coming back to bring this or restore the school to what it once was, so that we can go on in the future and make it a strong institution?
Me personally, this is my second year, so when I came back, it was the largest class to come back while they were accredited, and to be a part of the history to me, because I was Mr. Freshman last year.
Mr. Freshman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
we got Mr. Freshman.
It's just, it feels great to be part of the Black history and the legacy here. Also, knowing that since we've been accredited, I'm like a part of that. So even all the HBCUs and the HBCU, I just feel like it's a great place to be and be a part of.
And we're gonna hear from Mr. Brooklyn, New York, Mr. Personality.
What's up, everybody? So basically, this is my first semester here at Morris Brown College. I transferred from the great North Carolina A&T. Shout out to the Aggies. Still much love there and everywhere. Like I say, this is one huge family. Whether you're non-traditional or whether you're traditional, everybody here is a family, and we all building up. No matter, everything I do here is history, no matter what, because even though we're our third year in, we're coming strong. I'm a hungry student. If you know anybody from New York, we're extra hungry. So I'm extra hungry here for all opportunities, all scholarships, and getting to know and network with people, because these are people that I am going to need later on in my life, or I'm going to need right now. Next semester, I'm working on running for junior class president. I'm working on trying to set the bar high and really bring in the change that everybody has been looking for. And I definitely think there's a place for everyone here. Cost efficient wise, the school is amazing. Networking wise, the school is amazing. There's a lot of opportunities that pass through here, and there's not a lot of students, which means that it's easier to get opportunities that are big that other schools get. And because we're in the AEC, we still get the same experience from the rest of the AEC. And I love it here so far. It's a great company.
Being that it's being that you're so new on campus, so there are a lot of activities to get involved in. It was, they might want an active social life. I know that you guys are still part of the AUC, but what can you speak to being a member of this campus or this institution in terms of activities and clubs and such?
All right, so being here, the campus life, it was I want to ask you guys a question. Sure. I want to be truthful. So.
Be honest. Be truthful, please.
Okay. So, being here at Morris Brown campus, the student life is, I want to say it is what you make it. Me and EJ both are hoping to bring back events to Morris Brown so we can, like Morris Mondays and things like that, because a lot of the events, a lot of students don't come out to, but we're trying to be the change makers here. And you do have access to the agency, but we also want people to know that we are back at Morris Brown. There's a lot of students here, so it's okay to come over to our campus and enjoy the events here.
I would say for the campus life, we are actively working really hard to actively every day showing up to these teachers, to these administrators every single day, trying to show up for ourselves and show up for our campus, because we do want the campus life back. We understand that the school went through a deficit. We understand that the school went through trials and tribulations, but we also have to understand that it's not going to be the same thing it was 20 years ago. We have to build a new future. We have to work towards a new future. For any student that's looking there, you play a big part in that before you get in here. We need every student's head in the game. We need every student to have the same idea that, yeah, we all want change. Everybody can ask for change, but who's really going to fight for it? Everybody can ask for it and say we want the campus life back. Who's really going to put themselves out there to work and do the hard work on bringing that back? And it's not as simple as just throwing an event together. No, you need to do the due diligence of getting those connections, because 9 times out of 10, money, let's be real, money runs the economy. We run into a lot of issues in our personal lives, in our college lives, and here at the university when it comes to money and funding. I want me as a student leader, us as a student leader, trying to get back into the student leader positions. We want to bring new money to the school that can allow us to bring that campus life back, that can allow us to showcase that Morris Brown is back. Because at the end of the day, we can yell as loud as we want to, but at the end of the day, when it comes to actually what's on paper, with actually what we're trying to do and bring back, we want to bring back the culture. We want to bring back that feeling. We want to showcase to the rest of the agency that we're a family here and y'all are a family across the street. We need y'all as much as we need each other.
I'm gonna say, when they made a decision to apply to this school, and when the school accepted them, I don't know if they realized that they accepted 2 ambassadors,
2 change makers,
and anybody, change makers, if you will, and any alum out there, any parents in our group who are watching this, they play it backwards, not forwards, but forwards and backwards, because they need you. This space is great. But they need money. They need funds. And I believe with these 2 young men, if there's a bunch of students here like them, or the other 400 or 500, this is possible. And it seems like a great place to be. If you guys have not applied for a school yet, if you're looking for a school, they're telling me they have scholarships. Come on down. Be part of the 500. They're growing. They have room for, I think, 2,500 more. Let's go. If you have not put in an application for a school at this point, it's not too late. I'm seeing tours here. These students on these tours are going to get acceptances. You can believe that. Come on down. This is a place. Look at fine young men are here. Well, if these fine young men are here, they want y'all to come on down too.
And I just want to add to that. We did just get our accreditation back about 2-3 years ago. But we might not see a lot on campus right now, but let's believe in about 5-10 years, Morris Brown going to be, mark my words, Morris Brown's going to be back where it was in the AUC, around Morehouse, Clark, Spelman. We're going to be competing with everybody. So our 5-year plan here at Morris Brown, we're bringing back a couple of buildings. Our 5-year plan is to have more than 1,000 students, traditional students. My personal plan is to bring back the traditional student culture. Shout out to all the non-traditional students out there. But at the same time, I want the traditional students that are coming from all these different places. We have people coming from Cali, New York. This goes to out all the families. Definitely, if you don't have Morris Brown on your college resume, on your college thinking, definitely put it on there, because if you want your child to go to a HBCU and have that HBCU culture for cost efficient wise, Morris Brown should be on there. I feel like there's no reason why you should not apply to Morris Brown, because guess what? Money wise, we have it. Major wise, we have it. Family wise, we're really going to try hard. Me personally, if anybody connects with me, we're going to really try hard to make sure that there is a way for you guys to come here. Any questions and concerns that you do guys have, let's not just leave it at the questions and concerns. Let's ask those questions. Let's announce those concerns, so that we can be there for you families. We can be there for your kids. We can be there for the students that want that HBCU culture, but necessarily people like me that come from low-income neighborhoods that don't have those opportunities. Atlanta's a great place to anybody in the music field, anybody in the entertainment industry
Morris Brown is a place for you. Anybody that's interested in hospitality and gaming, Morris Brown is a place for you. Don't give up on us because of what we happened in the past, because guess what? We have a strong future that we're building, and we would love for you guys to be a part of it. Thank you.
There you guys have it. I gotta tell you, we went to 3 schools before this one, Clark, Morehouse and Spelman. Vibes are, you guys did a great job representing who you are, and what you guys have to offer. It was such a great experience, guys, wrapping up this tour, this Atlanta tour, interviewing all the schools, all the 4 schools. And we just met some great students today, students that have zeal and passion and are telling you that they're making a way, space for future, well, Black, Brown, and HBCU Mound kids. So come on down. Don't be shy. And they're saying that you could even reach out and find them. They're here. We stumbled.
Do you want to put down your
My Instagram
socials?
is EJ_1728. Once again, it's EJ_1728.
You can get my Instagram from Hill because it's gonna be a little hard.
I could give you guys the Instagram. Please reach out to me. If you guys need anything with housing situations, scholarships, anybody who has over a 3.0 or a 3.5, I can do my due diligence to make sure that the parents and the child can make sure that they can have access to a scholarship fund. I know that they give out a lot of scholarships for first year students that's coming fresh out of high school, high GPAs. We need y'all. The fight is only as strong as you guys allow us to be. So once I leave, I need somebody to pass the baton to. Once everybody else leaves, they need somebody to have the baton to. So please, don't count us out.
And
We
don't
back.
Be scared. Don't be scared to reach out because we are definitely here to help. And me as a person,
Non-traditional students too. It don't matter if you 30, 40, 50. If you need that college degree, Morris Brown is here for you. Please show up for us because we're going to do our due diligence of showing up for y'all.
I couldn't have asked for a better interview,
Black,
guys.
brown, and HBCU bound. Your source for news you can use. Let's shine a light on the 207 HBCUs where culture meets excellence.